Hey friends, let's do Blue Bayou guitar lesson, another awesome song by Linda Ronstadt. And with this song we're tuned to E flat, so just tune each string down a semitone or a half step there. I find when you tune it down the chord voicings sound more like the song, and this one's for the beginner, it's fairly easy. So let me play the intro and the verse, then we'll break it down. So just starting on the C, and our strumming pattern will be down, down, up, down, up, and that's one bar. And for the intro, it's 2 bars on the C, and then we play another 2 bars while she starts singing, so 4 bars on the C. Down, down, up, down, up, 2, 3, 4. Then we just go to G, and we do exactly the same thing for 4 bars. Back to C again, another 4 bars. Down, down, up, 2, 3, 4. Back to G, another 4 bars. 2, 3, 4. Then to finish off the verse, just go back to C for 2 bars. And that's our intro and our verse there. So we're starting on the C, and we do 2 bars there, same strumming pattern. To G, and we're going to do 4 bars here. 2, 3, 4. Now this is where it gets a little bit weird. We're going to go to a C major 7, so just do a C and take your first finger off. We're going to do down, and then we hammer onto the first fret on the B string, so we go back to the C. So down, hammer on, down, then do an up on the C major 7 again and hammer back onto the C, and then up, down. So, and we just do that 2 times, it's 2 bars there. Then just do C for another bar. C7 for a bar, F for a bar, then we go into an F minor 6, we're just going to strum and hold, so that's first fret on the E, third fret on the A, first on the D and the G, third on the B and first on the E, F minor 6, hold for a bar, then back to C, G for a bar, and C for 2 bars. And that's our chorus there. From there we go back to the verse. Now the only change is here we just do the C for 2 bars instead of 4 there. So it's just a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, and then back to the G. After that we go back to the chorus, and that's exactly the same as the chorus we just did. So for our instrumental, it's just C for 2 bars, same strumming pattern. G for 4 bars, same again. 2, to C for 2 bars. So for our outro, it's just C for a bar. It's like the end of the chorus. C7 for a bar. F for a bar. Hold on the F minus 6 for a bar. Back to C for a bar. G for a bar. C for 2 bars. Then go to G for 5 bars this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're coming back to our C major 7, hammering onto the C, and we do that 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and just finish on the C. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Blue Bayou Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you love your 70s rock, glam and pop, jump onto my YouTube channel for heaps more songs, and I'll see you soon.